Acquiring a fleet can be done through leasing or buying trucks. Factors such as cost, operational needs, and flexibility must be considered. Leasing offers lower upfront costs and flexibility, while buying provides long-term cost savings and asset ownership. Various financing options are available, including loan financing, leasing options, and fleet financing programs. It's important to evaluate the best financing method for your business based on factors like interest rates, repayment terms, and cash flow considerations. Total cost of ownership, TCO, is a critical factor in fleet acquisition. Beyond the initial purchase price, TCO includes long-term costs such as maintenance and repairs, as well as depreciation and resale value. Understanding TCO helps in making informed decisions. Regular maintenance is crucial for ensuring vehicle reliability and safety, preventing costly breakdowns, and extending the lifespan of your trucks. A well-maintained fleet operates more efficiently and reduces overall operating costs. Developing a comprehensive maintenance schedule is essential. Key maintenance tasks include regular oil changes, tire checks, and brake inspections. Adhering to this schedule ensures that all vehicles are serviced on time, maintaining optimal performance. Choosing reliable service providers is critical for effective fleet maintenance. Evaluating service contracts and considering the benefits of in-house maintenance versus outsourcing can help in making the best decision for your fleet. Keeping detailed maintenance records is important for tracking service history and repairs. Utilizing software for maintenance management can streamline record keeping and ensure timely maintenance, enhancing the efficiency of your fleet operations. GPS tracking offers numerous benefits, including real-time vehicle tracking, improved route planning and dispatch, and enhanced security with theft recovery capabilities. These benefits contribute to more efficient and secure fleet management. Modern fleet monitoring systems come with advanced features and can integrate with telematics and other technologies. These systems provide valuable data analytics for performance optimization, helping to improve overall fleet efficiency. Implementing GPS and fleet monitoring systems involves several steps, including selecting the right technology, installing the systems, and training staff. Evaluating the return on investment, ROI, of these technology investments is crucial for ensuring they deliver value to your operations.